there are many types of order type or access type in, that are suited for resources presented in the resource catalog of EOSC Portal. The order type is reflected on the resource list, so you can always tell by the analysis of the search results which type of the ordering method is represented by a service or resource. And there are 4 types of resource order types that are available for providers who are onboarding EOSC Portal. The first one is order required, so a type which requires ordering either in the EOSC Portal itself or some external or community-driven ordering platform that community providing the resource already use for resource delivery. Open access are services or resources that don't require requesting access, but they may engage some registration methods, which in turn fully open access resources don't need to provide you with the resource operation with the service. Resource providers that couldn't classify the resources may use other, and you will also see various of the types on the list of resources at the catalog and marketplace EOSC Portal part, as some of resources provide various offers for a single resource, for a single service. So that's how they are classified. All these access methods require a consistent user interface to provide the users with simple and easy to use navigation to access the resource. So that's why users are always shown with a big blue button named access the resource, no matter what the type of the ordering method or access method is. With the use of this button, the user is guided through the resource access guide that were also enhanced this year, and it reflects the all the available resource ordering methods or access types. Once the access method is used, if the resource is orderable through EOSC Portal and its marketplace part, you can analyze the history of your resource access requests in the projects panel. Also, the projects panel will allow you to bookmark your open access resources to easy find them when you next approach EOSC Portal to compose your resource, compose your infrastructure using resources provided by EOSC Portal. Okay, so back to the demo. We have created our project and we want to add our first resource. And let me start from using some open access resource. In order to find it, I will need to use a filter that allows me to determine which resources are open access. And as you can see, all these resources are accessible with the open access method. I can compare them and select the one that suits my use case. Okay, and now what I want to do is just to access the resource. Of course, I can use handy links at the top channel and top panel of the resource presentation page, but I will use the access the resource button. And as you can see, I am now informed what is the type of this resource and what it means for me to access this resource. As it is open access resource, I can just click this big button and navigate straight to the resource and start to use it. But if I want to come back to using Portal and I want to use my project to remember this resource, I can go further and just add it to the project. So now, as you can see, this project contains my resource and allows me to navigate to the resource once I enter my user space. Okay, so let's go back to the portal and try to use other resource that will be that will require ordering. I'm looking for Cloud Compute or VGI, as I already explained, as this resource present you with many offers of ordering. Many offers of this resource are provided by VGI provider. Okay, I will use this button again, and now as you can see, I need to select an offer that is suitable for my use case. Let's pretend I need something to perform parallel computations, so I use the GPU method, and here is the explanation of the request access method, resource access method, and then I can use the configuration of the resource provided by this provider in the portal itself. This resource provider selected ordering method used in the EOSC Portal marketplace, so I am able to request the access directly from the marketplace. Now, what I need to do is to select my project, and this will tell the provider why I am requesting the access to this resource. This is helping the user also to not deal with providing all the information about the usage each time they are requesting resources, and usage of the project allow the provider also to tell which resources are used to support this specific use case. Okay, so now I'm in the project panel, and as you can see, there are two resources here, and one has been ordered and one has been bookmarked in the project. So let's check how is the status of EG Cloud Compute. As you can see, the resource request has been created, but there is no other information from the provider. But we can see the status here, and we can also contact the resource provider when needed.